Welcome to a new era of clean. As the times change, so does our understanding on what it means to be clean. Origen Clean is pioneering a new and innovative way to ensure that your professional spaces are optimized to their full potential and build a balanced environment where you and your clients can thrive. Origen Clean offers specialized probiotic fogging solutions with their unique building balance program. This microscopic cleaning crew works diligently to scrub away grime and odors, leaving surfaces safe and protected for up to 5 days. During this process, bad bacteria is neutralized and replaced with good bacteria. The formula is safe for human exposure, meaning that no additional protective gear is needed during the cleaning process. When deployed, Origen's activated probiotic defense counteracts the harsh smell of chemical cleaners, leaving behind their signature optimized scent. Their Can and Clean backpack and ULV dispersal technology ensures that no area is left behind by electrostatically charging the particles to allow them to attach to both hard and soft surfaces. Simply mix 1 can of probiotic formula with 4 liters of water to activate, and you are ready to start cleaning. We all want to have safer spaces. At Origen, their mission is to help your business increase the health, wellness, safety, and prosperity of your customers and your staff. To learn more and start protecting your business today, visit origenclean.com.